What's up, fam? Hey, I'm not going to pull up any charts today. I'm not going to have the fanciest video, okay? It's been one of the most depressing, one of the most difficult 48, 56 hours of my life. I know a lot of you guys are hurting. I know a lot of you guys lost everything on FTX. We went from $20,000 Bitcoin down to $15,000 Bitcoin. Now we're going back up to $17,000 Bitcoin. And look, I'm not going to reiterate all the stuff that happened. If you don't know what happened with crypto, with FTX and with Binance and with all this shit that's going on right now, I don't know what to tell you. This is not a news channel, okay? I'm trying to help you predict things that happen in this market. I put my own money into this market. If you guys appreciate that, please smash the like button for me because I'm sick of making breaking news updates. Let me just tell you a story real quick about why I'm sick of making fucking breaking news update YouTube videos, and I'm done doing it. Okay, so we had the other day when this news came out. And if you don't know what happened, I'm not gonna bring up the tweets and baby you. Okay, you should have known what happened. Okay, so when Binance said they were buying FTX, right, for that brief, I don't know, 30 minutes there, 30 minutes right here. Bitcoin rallied from like $17,000 to $20,500, and Ethereum went from $1,300 to like $1,600. Okay, and then it went all the way back down to new all-time lows. And so instead of like thinking, instead of sitting there like a lodge, and I was, just so you guys know, I've been all in on crypto for the past 2 weeks with my own money, all in. Okay, and so instead of thinking like, maybe sitting there and thinking like this is an important time, maybe I should sell some, maybe this deal won't go through, thinking through it logically. Instead, what did I do? I was like, shit, I got to get this news out to my YouTube subscribers. And so I put up a video about how Binance was going to buy fucking, like I'm some kind of news channel. I'm not a news channel. You know what? And that cost me a shit ton of money. I don't know if I would have sold on this bump here, but I mean, it cost me millions of dollars making that YouTube video. Millions. So that's why I had to take a few days off, guys. I apologize. I know you guys need videos every day, blah, 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 but it's not my obligation to make a video fucking every day. I'm not a news channel, all right? I started this channel as a personal diary of my trading, my money going into the market. It blew up. Here we are, okay? So sorry. Let's talk about what's going to happen going forward, okay? So if you guys saw on Twitter today, obviously that fucking loser dude who ruined everything, SBF, the FTX CEO, just posted a thread, okay? I don't have it pulled up, but if you just go on Twitter, it's not that hard to find. I guess I will pull up one tweet for you guys. Go follow me on Twitter, okay? I didn't post a video yesterday, and if you haven't been following me on Twitter, you missed everything. You've missed the biggest event in the history of crypto because you're too stubborn. You need a Twitter. If you don't have a Twitter, you shouldn't be involved in crypto. Full stop, okay? So what happened today, this is really the only thing that matters, is that Sam Bankman-Fried the guy who ruined everything. Right now, we would be at $30,000 Bitcoin right now. CPI data, just like I fucking said it would, came out under expectation, just like I've been saying on this channel for months. If you know I've been saying that for months, please smash the like button. So that's why Bitcoin rallied like crazy today, went absolutely nuts today. It's because CPI data did exactly what I said. Bitcoin would be $25,000 to $30,000 right now, but no, we're at $17,000 because of this idiot right here. And so this idiot has the audacity to make a thread. However, one thing he says is that FTX International currently has a total market value of assets collateral higher than client deposits, moves with prices, but that's different from liquidity for delivery. Whatever. I don't know what all I know is he basically said that he has the goods. Like after all this, right? The markets crashed, the worst event in crypto history. Everyone thinks that he basically fraudulently lost $8 billion. That's the difference. That's what we don't know, okay? So basically what he's saying here is that we have the money to pay back our customers. We will get the money. That's basically what he said, which is insane because the whole market thinks that there's an $8 billion hole. $8 billion that is gone forever, that is customer money that will never be recovered. There's a big difference between $8 billion gone and all the customers fine, okay? All customers fine. So we're going to find out in the next few days which one it is. Is there really an $8 billion hole, or are all customers fine? And so this is the only thing that matters. CPI data came in amazing. Bitcoin would be $25,000 right now. Look at the stock market. Look at the fucking stock market. I mean, I should have just traded stocks. This is what's so frustrating. If I would have just traded stocks with my plan that I've had for 3 months, I'd have a 2x by now. But no, I traded crypto and I got Sam Bankman-Fried. But anyway, we're here now. So what can you do? The only thing you can do is think about this. What is the likelihood that he actually is just still lying? Like, he knows he's going to prison for the rest of his life. Is he lying about this? Do they have the money or do they not? That's the question. Okay, you're going to watch 50 YouTube videos today and everyone's going to be talking and breaking news. Blah. The only thing that matters is, does this dude have the $8 billion to pay back people that have deposited their money on FTX, or are all the customers screwed? That's what matters. If he does have this money, I'm telling you that Bitcoin will go back to $25,000. It will follow the same exact plan that I've had for 6 months that I've been posting on this channel, which is, we're going to ride this bad boy back up to $30,000 Bitcoin that we're going to sell. That's what has been my plan this entire time. It got totally wrecked by this guy. But maybe there's a light at the end of the tunnel. I just don't... it's hard for me to like predict anything with this guy because I think he's mentally ill and I think he probably had the biggest Ponzi scheme of all time. But why tweet this? Like, you're already going to jail, bro. You're already going to jail. Everyone hates you. Why would you tweet? I mean, maybe he's just trying to get some extra liquidity out. I don't know, man. But I just don't know why you would say that we have the money if you don't have the money. At this point, you're just rubbing salt in a wound. You're just going to go to jail for longer. So, I don't know. I'm not going to make a call one way or the other. I do think that yesterday was a pretty big capitulation day. Like, you know the bottoms? You know what a bottom is in crypto? It's when everyone panics. Let's pull up volume here. I don't have volume. But look at this. Look at how much volume was sold off yesterday. Can you see this? Look at this. Right here at the bottom, when you see a heavy volume candle on the exact bottom, that's how bottoms are formed. Let me just go back. Let's go to daily. Okay, just real quick. I just want to show you, like there's a chance that was the bottom yesterday, and this candle is crazy. Like, look at the volume that came in. Look at the volume that came in. Now let's go back to the other bottoms in the history of Bitcoin, okay? This one, right? Look at how deep, look at that volume. Look at that. I mean, I hadn't even checked this till this is actually pretty crazy. Okay, so can you see that? Look, you see these little red lines down here? This is how many people were buying or selling or capitulation yesterday. This marks capitulation. That's insane. Okay, so let's go to the other ones. What are the other big bottoms? This one here was kind of quiet. This one here, remember that one, Elon? Remember when Elon tweeted back here? This is back when Elon tweeted right here. And we went all the way down. We went from $69,000 to like fucking 28. Look at the volume. Okay? Now, look at this COVID bottom. Look at this COVID bottom right here. This is when COVID hit. Look at the volume. Can you see that little line? I know it's faint, but look at that. Look at the size of these. Look at they're the same size. I think the volume yesterday, yeah. It looks like the volume yesterday was equal to the COVID bottom. So it's pretty obvious in hindsight that the worst event ever would be the bottom. That's when people capitulate. That's when people panic and sell. And then obviously the CPI data was like the best timing ever to kind of just reverse that. So I don't know. It's hard to call bottom in these kind of situations, but I do think, I mean, it's looking good. It's looking good. So what you need to look out for is refresh Twitter 400,000 times a day like I've been doing and wait for one billionaire named SBF or someone to have news about this guy. Because if FTX has the money to pay back the customers, Bitcoin's going to $30,000. I think the risk reward probably still favors the upside here. I don't know. I really don't know. I know that I'm pissed off because I went all in at $1,600 ETH. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this channel. Like I said, this channel cost me, $1 million yesterday. So is it really worth it for me to make these videos that make $0? They make I make $1,000 a month in ad revenue on this channel. So everyone's like, Kale, you make all these videos. I literally just do it out of the goodness of my heart, and I lost $1 million doing it yesterday. So I don't know, man. We'll see what happens. If I make videos, don't expect fucking breaking news. Expect expect some decent predictions. Expect my thoughts. Expect what I'm doing with my own money. That's all I can say. I can't tell you guys what to do. What I did is I went all in at $1,600. It bit me in the ass. I almost cried. And I hated my life for the past 2 days. So welcome to crypto. I've been through this multiple times. Up, down, all around. I'm the realest one on this fucking platform. I've literally been upfront with you guys about what I'm doing the entire time. So come back if you need more of that. Smash the like button. Share this with someone. And that's all I got. Peace.